Hello crafty friends! Welcome back to another exciting Stampin' Up video. Today we have a special treat for you. The long-awaited return of a crafting essential, the Stampin' Up Brayer tool. That's right, the Brayer tool is back and better than ever. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting your creative journey, you're going to love the versatility and magic this tool brings to your projects. Let's dive right into the fun. One of the fantastic ways to use the Brayer tool is with embossing folders. Watch as I load up my Brayer with ink. See how easily it picks up that beautiful color? Now, I'll roll over the raised design of the embossing folder. Wow, look at that! The ink is highlighting the intricate details of the embossing, adding a stunning touch to any project. But that's not all. The Brayer tool works its magic with stamps too. Let's jazz up this clean stamp with some vibrant color. I love how the Brayer provides even coverage, ensuring that every nook and cranny of the stamp gets inked up perfectly. And there you have it, a beautifully stamped image that's ready to take center stage on your cards, scrapbook pages, and more. Now let's explore how the Brayer tool can transform plain paper into something extraordinary. With the Brayer's smooth gliding action, you can create custom backgrounds, gradients, and textures that add depth and dimension to your projects. Imagine the possibilities. From elegant invitations to funky art journal pages, this tool opens up a world of creative opportunities. Crafting friends, I hope you're as excited as I am about the return of the Stampin' Up Brayer tool. Its ability to enhance your embossing folders, stamps, and paper is a game changer for any creative project. So, get your hands on this versatile tool and unlock a new level of creativity in your crafting journey. Visit our website or contact your local Stampin' Up demonstrator to get your Brayer tool today. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy crafting!